So we have done up to which question? Second exercise.
Sixth question, sir.
Second exercise, sixth question we have done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question number 7. Question number 7. So they are asking mean and variance of the following frequency distribution. Classes of frequency they gave. So let us form a table. Class. Class is given means mid value. Mid value is xi. Next to frequency, that is fi. So class is like 0 to 30, 30 to 60, 60 to 90, 90 to 120, 120, 150, 150, 180, 180, 210. Next to mid values, 15, 45, 75, 105, 135, 135, 165, 190 mid values. Next, frequency. What they gave? 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 10, 3, 5, 10, 3, 5, 2. So here, this shortcut type of questions. When they give free classes, mean and frequency when they are asking, mean and variance, what we have to find out is ui we have to find out. U means xi minus a by n. This is the formula. N means sum of the values of the frequency. What we get? 5, 5, 10, 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30. This is frequency. What is A means? Assumed mean. A means assumed mean. Assumed mean. How to find assumed mean? So here mid values are there. In that, what is the middle number? That is your assumed mean. 105. So what we have to find out here, ui is equal to xi minus 105 by n means 30. X means, middle value. So 15 minus 105 by 30. Like that, we have to find out the values. You will get all numbers only. 90 by 3, that is minus 3.
Sir, minus
45
3, minus 2,
minus 2,
minus 1, 0, 1, 2,
0, 1,
2, 3.
3. Mostly it will be like this only. So after finding this ui, we have to find out fi ui. Fi ui. Multiply with the frequency. Then we'll get minus 6, minus 6, minus 5, 0, 3, 10, 6. Next fi ui square. Square u and multiply with f. So u means minus 3. Square means 9. 9 2s are 18.
18.
Like that. 4 3s are 12.
12.
1 1
5.
5 5.
5,
0, 3,
0,
10,
3,
6.
20,
3 4 5s are 20. Next 9 2s are
Oh,
18.
yeah.
18.
18.
I think we have to add these values. fi ui add, fi ui square also add. What you will get, check. I will write the formula. So whenever classes are given and mean variance they are asking, we have to follow this method.
Sir, for FIUI, is it 2, sir?
Ah, 2 only. If you add, you are getting 2 only.
Sir, is it 76 for FIUI square, sir?
Yes, sir, 76.
76,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
okay. 76. So here mean we have to find. For that formula, x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi yi by 50 into h. H means class interval. Here class interval is 30. A you know, sigma fi ui you know. Substitute the values. What you are getting, check.
So what is 50?
This is n actually. 30 no, n value. N means 30. So x bar is equal to a 105 plus sigma
So that is FI, YA or UI?
fi ui. Fi ui. Ui, yi depends on the book. Anything we can write. Into 30.
107, sir.
107. This is your mean of the given data.
Yes, sir. 107.
Say the same, whatever we are doing, the same will continue second exercise and third exercise. There is no difference. This is only the method. Almost all questions, the same method we follow. So after finding mean, variance we have to find. For that formula, I will write. So variance formula, variance is denoted with sigma square. This is called sigma. So sigma square is equal to h square by n square into n into sigma fi ui square minus sigma fi ui whole square. All values you know, substitute the values and simplify.
So variance is 2276, sir.
2276. Huh? Ah, correct. So all of you are clear with this method, right? Variance and mean,
Sure.
right?
Yes.
Sure.
So 7th we have done, 8th, 9th also same, 8th, 9th, 10th, but 10th I will discuss, there is no continuation. Here see 0 to 30, next continuation 30 to 60. 30 continuation is there. So middle values you can take very easily. But 10th question, if you see, there is no continuation. So how to do continuation? That table I will make it. Then I will give you, you just follow. Method you can complete. I will just form the table. I am erasing. Let's move to 10th question. Question number 10. So here they are telling diameters. Diameters, number of circles. Okay. Diameters are 33 to 36. 37 to 40. 41 to 44. 45 to 48.
49 to 52.
49 to 52. That much only, no values, right? So here what you have to do, some change we have to make. That is called modified class. Modified class. That means it is not in continuation. So we have to make it continue. What to do? We have to reduce 0.5 in the lower limit, 0.5 in the upper limit increase, reduce and increase. Then automatically you will get continuation. You can observe that. Reduce 0.5 in the lower limit, increase 0.5 in the upper limit.
$52.5.
Now middle values take. That is your xi. Mid value xi. So here mid value is 34.5. Here 38.5. 42.5. 46.5.
48. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sorry, sir.
Next, they gave number of circles. Number of circles. That means Fi. What is frequency given? 15, 17, 21, 22, 25.
Yes, sir.
Next, what I told you, you have to consider assumed mean. Capital A. In the mid values, what is the middle number? That is your assumed mean. After finding assumed mean, what you have to do? UI. Next column. See the previous question. Table continuation is there. U is equal to, I don't have space here to draw next columns. You have to draw 3 more lines. So UI, you have to write like this. UI is equal to x minus a by n. This is one column. Next column Fi ui. Next column Fi ui square. So you have to find x minus 42.5 by a. A means, sorry, n means frequency. What is sum of the values of n? Fi. 25, 45, 70 plus 30, 100.
Sir, yesterday you did the standard deviation method, no, sir. For that you wrote u is equal to xi minus a. It's all.
Which question? Question number 10.
Sixth answer, sir. Standard deviation using shortcut method.
Shortcut method they mentioned, right?
Yes, sir.
There what I did, assume mean I have taken. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Next, Fi ui. U means x minus 64. That is all I have taken. By I is not taken, right?
Yes, sir.
That is because if you see the mid values, they have given straight away mid values xi. But here, when the interval is given, they prescribe that you have to do divide by n. That is how you can remember the difference. X
If we are finding the mid values, we should put n. If we are not finding the mid values,
Otherwise, not. All are linked only. You can easily understand what we are doing, why we are doing everything. Carefully check. Mean deviation about mean means what, median means what. First exercise. Second exercise variance. How to find variance, standard deviation or mean using direct value is given or interval is given. So that is also the reference which you can easily understand.
So this UI is coming as 0 minus 0.08.
What is UI?
Minus 0.08. So,
What is a UI formula I gave you? UI is equal to x minus a by n I gave, not n h. Height of the interval. We have done.
both less than.
Oh, that's why was we didn't find any difference. You write like this. There also do the correction. It is h. Height of the class. Here height of the class is 4.
It will be minus 2.
Finished?
Yes, sir.
Sir, mean is 43.5.
Mean, 1 minute I have to. 43.5, mean, correct. All of you open competitive material, statistics. And all of you solve
Sir, JE material, sir.
JE material.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Limits to derivatives to exercise 1 practice because KSET exam is there. Weekend exercise 1. You need to have good revision. Limits
sir.
and derivatives.
Sir, for tomorrow's exam, sir.
Okay. GE exam then
Okay, sir.
Monday, no?
Yes, sir, Monday, sir.
Tomorrow exam is there. Which exam tomorrow?
Sir, we have to write all 4 exams, sir. Physics, chemistry, maths, and computer.
PU exam.
Yes, sir, PO exams.
Okay. So even
Sir,
if you
tomorrow
see
no PU exam.
tomorrow no PU,
No, sir.
okay, good. So for this statistics competitive, open all of you statistics material. So yes, open statistics competitive. So basics, what synopsis, whatever synopsis is there, go through the all points, mean, median, mode, relation between mean, median, mode. Example 15, about that, mode equal to 3 median minus 2 mode. This relation is there.
JE book, sir.
J book. Note down this, mode equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. This relation related, definitely they will ask a question. Next, coming to variance concept. All of you see variance concept in your material synopsis. Variance concept. Example 17 after. Find, did you find?
Yes, sir.
So variance formula, sigma square equal to 1 by n sigma x minus x bar whole square. Or same formula you can write as 1 by n sigma xi square minus sigma xi by n whole square. This is called mean. You know this. So whenever they give individual series, like find the mean of, find the variance of multiples of first 10 multiples of 3, whenever they give like that, then you have to apply this formula. Next. Second point, see, if x1, x2, etc. are as xn occur with frequencies. Generally in KSET, they don't ask this kind of concept. But if they ask also, it is simple only. Frequencies f1, f2, etc. fn. Then sigma square equal to 1 by n sigma fi into x minus x bar whole square. 1 by n sigma fi xi square minus formula is there. You can see that. I did underline that point. Next, standard deviation. No need to write. Everything is there in your material. You just mark the point. Next point, what you have to mark is standard deviation. What they give, what variance means sigma square, root sigma square, nothing but sigma.
Yes, sir.
This is a standard deviation. Positive square root.
Yes, sir.
Standard deviation. That point they have given, note down that. Next, one more point they give, that is important question also. There is no effect of change of origin on standard deviation. There is no effect of change of origin. Next, one more point is coefficient of standard deviation. Coefficient of standard deviation, sigma by x bar. Next one, coefficient of variation by x bar into 100. These 2 points comes in third exercise, 15.3 exercise. Next, see, one next point is combined variance. Combined variance, generally they will ask in JEE mains. So, whatever second point given, sigma square equal to, they gave that point, note down. Next, one more thing is additional points given after example 20. Worked out example 20 after they gave additional points. In that additional points, whatever points given, just go through last 3 points important. Variance is not independent of change of scale. Mean deviation from median is less than from any other value. These 2 points important. They can be direct questions. Next, they gave a table. Effect of average and dispersion on the change of origin and scale. Mean, median, mode, standard deviation. These all are direct questions you can expect. Table. Okay, let us start exercise. CUQ, whatever given, that also go through. They are all concept based questions. Exercise 1. So, shall we start?
Yes, sir.
So, exercise 1. The mean of 20 observations is 15. That is one, you know.
Yes, sir.
The mean of 20 observations is 15. On checking, it was found that 2 observations were wrongly copied as 3 and 6. If the wrong observations are replaced by correct values 8 and 4, then correct mean is. That is the question. So here 20 observations mean is 15. So 20 into 15. This will give you total value. 20 observations mean is 15 means value if you want 20 into 15. But here what is happening? 2 observations are wrong. So subtract the observations which are wrong and add what are correct. 8 and 4. Now for this, find that average. Average means 20 because they asked correct mean they are asking. Mean means sum of observations by number of observations. So simplify this one. What you are getting, that is your answer. So remember, this is the way we have to do. If any wrong, right, replaced with correct values, this kind of sum. So what answer you got?
$15.15.
15 point. 15.15.
Yes, sir. 50.15.
Right. Second question. The mean weight of 9 items is 15. One more item is added to the series. So that the mean became 16. Then the value of 10th item. When it is 9 items, mean is 15. One more item added. Now this is so mean became 16. So total number of items are 10 into 16. So x is equal to 160 minus 135. Answer
So 35. 25. Sorry, sir. 25.
Next, third question. When 15 was subtracted from each of the 7 observations, the following numbers resulted. The mean of the distribution is. So 15 is subtracted from 7 observations. Find the mean of these values. So mean equal to whatever values they gave after subtraction, add them. -2 +4 +6 +1 +1 divided by 7. What you are getting? 10, 12 minus 5, 7. 7 by 7, 1. They are asking mean of the distribution. Mean of the distribution. Concept go through. 15 already they gave +1, 16.
Sir, why 15 plus 1?
Mean of the distribution they are asking now means from the beginning. From the beginning, every observation is subtracted with 15 now.
Yes, sir.
Fourth question. Two samples of sizes 200 and 300. Means of two samples are given 25 and 10 respectively. Their standard deviations are 3 and 4. Then they are asking variance of combined sample of 500. So means given, standard deviations given. So clearly N1 equal to 200, N2 equal to 300, X1 bar mean 25, X2 bar that is 10. Standard deviation is 3. Sigma 1 is 3. Sigma 2 is 4. So sigma 1 square is 9. Sigma 2 square equal to 16. Now they are asking variance. Variance,
Yes,
combined
sir.
variance. Combined variance formula is there now. See the formula, apply. 1 by N1 plus N2 into
Yes, sir.
X1 bar
Plus X2 bar.
minus X2 bar.
Okay, okay, sir. Sir, is it 1 by 500? Oh, no, okay, no, okay, no. Sir, is the answer 37.2, sir?
Answer, eh?
Yes, sir.
37 is not there. Options are like 64, 65.2, like that only. 67.2.
Yes, sir, 67.2, sir.
Finished, Amma, everyone? So today you need to solve exercise 1, exercise 2. From this and the limits derivatives, exercise 1, revise thoroughly.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir, it's 67.2, sir. Sorry, sir.
Yeah. Next.
Sir, do we need to square root 67.2, sir?
No, because variance only they are asking. Standard deviation square root.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Question number 5. Arithmetic mean and harmonic mean of two numbers are given. Arithmetic mean 4.5 given. Harmonic mean 4 given. Then one of the numbers is. So arithmetic mean formula a plus b by 2, 4.5. So a plus b is equal to 9. Harmonic mean formula 2ab by a plus b. That is a 4. So 2ab by 9 is equal to 4. 2 cancel here 2 times. So ab is equal to 18.
Yes, sir. AB equal to 18.
Solve this one to find a value. Solve this equation and this equation. Find a value, b value.
So we should do like a minus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square.
Anyway, b is equal to 9 minus a. Substitute here, simplify. Any method you follow, but they are asking any one of the numbers.
Sir, 6.
Okay.
So 6 or 3. 6 or 3.
Okay. 6 or 3. So next question, sixth one. Median of 21 observations is 40. And if the observations are greater than the median increased by 6, then median of new data will be. If you increase Observations greater than median by 6. There is no effect of median. Median won't change, even though you increase the median. Observations greater than median, if you increase also, there is no effect of, where is that point? These are all the points in your synopsis. So sometimes a question comes with concept. So here, sixth question, there is no change. That means 40 only. Seventh, mode. Mode they are asking. Mode means which number repeats maximum times. Frequency. More frequency is called mode. So seventh, eighth, you can easily understand which number is more times repeated. Seventh question. That is your answer. Understanding, right?
Yes.
Seventh question. 3 how many times repeated?
Sir, 5. 5 is the most.
5
Five is
maximum
the
number of
answer.
times repeated. Maximum number of times repeated means more frequency. So that is a 5 answer. Next, eighth question, which is having more frequency? Marks means xi. Number of students means fi. More frequency is at 10. So the answer is 6. Straight answer without any differences. Next, more of the data given, mean given, median they are asking. First, that's what I explained you. Mean, mode, median relation. So any two
Mode
they
is
will give.
equal to 3 median minus 2.
Yes. So any two they will give. Third one they will ask. Apply that formula. Tenth question. Range they are asking.
Sir, 22.
Okay. Range they are asking. So there is a data given. This is called individual data. This kind of data is called individual data. So in this individual data, maximum number minus minimum number, that is only called range. So maximum number you can see 9, I think. Minimum number is 2. So 9 minus 2, 7 answer.
Sir, can you explain also?
Range means maximum minus minimum, right?
Yes, sir.
So 9 is the maximum number in the data. 2 is the minimum number. 9 minus 2, 7.
That's also.
That's it. 11th question, quartile deviation. Quartile deviation actually not in our syllabus. But if you want to see quartile deviation concept they gave. Example 17 above. Concept is there. Synopsis, that's why I asked you go through. First is only quartile deviation. Q3 minus Q1 by 2. So Partial deviation formula Q3 minus Q1 by 2. What is the Q1, Q3? Here,
Q3
Q1 equal to n plus 1 by 4th observation. N means what is there? Number of observations, how many are there? 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 by 4, 2. Second observation is Q1. Q3 means 3 times n plus 1 by 4. That means the sixth observation. So whatever data given, if you write in ascending order, what you will get? 7, 10, 15, 12. Next to 15. 17, 25. This is the data. So second one is a 10. So Q1 is a 10. Sixth one is 17. So Q3 is 17. Q3 minus Q1 by 2 is your answer.
Sir, 5.
That's it. Whatever answer you are getting. 7 by 2, no? 7 by 2, 3.5. Next Amma. 12th question. Standard deviation of the observations 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9 is given K. Then standard deviation of 10, 11, 12, etc. 19. That means they are adding 10 to the observations. 0 to 9. Every number added by 10. So here additional points concept. Last second point, variance is not independent of scale. Where is standard deviation concept? Standard deviation does not affect if you increase or decrease. Note down somewhere. Standard deviation does not affect by increasing or decreasing the observations. So here, if it is 0 to 9 K, after adding 10 also, it will be K only. There is no difference. That's all for today. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye. So tomorrow level 2 you will do, sir?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.